Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Stellar from Arculus Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your Stellar XLM tokens quickly and securely, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're cashing out for profits or diversifying your portfolio, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and a Robinhood account set up. Always double-check that your accounts are verified and you're in a region where these transactions are allowed. Crypto rules can vary by location in 2025. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app on your mobile device. Log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet holdings and select Stellar. You'll see your current balance. Take a moment to note it down. Next, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the deposit or transfer section and choose to add funds via cryptocurrency. Robinhood will generate a unique wallet address for Stellar deposits. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Now, back in Arculus, select the Withdraw or Send option for your Stellar tokens. Paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for network fees, which might be around 0.00001 to 0.001 XLM depending on network congestion in 2025. Double-check everything to avoid costly mistakes. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features. Once approved, sit back as the blockchain processes it. This could take a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Stellar's official one. Finally, once it's done, log back into Robinhood and refresh your account. Your Stellar should appear in your balance. Congrats! You've just withdrawn your assets successfully. Remember, crypto is volatile, so always stay informed and secure your accounts with strong practices. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.